Okay. Yep. GoPro's going. Looks like the GPS locked down, but alright, let's see how the video looks on. Awesome. The only thing is I don't have any of the voltage readings in the camera, so usually have to go ahead and do it by feel. Not the best I'm going to be able to do, so. But I am going to take and record this flight, so hopefully I don't have any issues with it. But since I'm doing it manual, I'm just going to go ahead and put the camera on the back of my head. Now, let's just check, make sure that the differential is working. Oh yeah, much better. Okay. Yeah, it helps when you put the exponential the same on both. All right, let's go ahead and get this one going here so I can record somewhat of a right going across. Okay, there's 2D, and I've got 35% on this camera, so I better get a good quick flight in. So, all right. I'm just hoping that the trims are set the way they were before, so. All right. Oh, this is gonna be, God, I hope it's gonna be good. Shit. Thing's tail heavy or something like that. Shit. The hell? Fuck. Well, so much for that. Yeah, I felt like may have had something a little bit off. Oh man, I bet the battery slipped back. That would be a damn good reason why it started feeling like it was tail heavy. There we go. All right. All right. Second attempt after having the battery slide out. Re-glued the motor back in. Put a big pad to support the battery. Hopefully I don't have any issues this time. Okay. Oh, this is going to be fun. My biggest issue is I've got kids on the field now, so. Okay. Yeah, much better. Oh, damn, man, this thing flies nice under the goggles. Yeah. mostly I just want to make sure it's going to fly right before I start doing some really wild, crazy stuff with it. Alright, I want to set for a landing here. Oh, damn, hold on. Okay, I want to come up and around. He's just going way too fast right now.
Oh, nice landing.
Sweet.
That's a nice landing right there.
This thing, man, it's a real blaster to the gun.
Heck yeah!